Today, I'm going to teach you how to install UpdraftPlus in WordPress. This is a powerful backup plugin that helps protect your website by automatically saving copies of your content. So if anything goes wrong, you can restore everything quickly and easily. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage everything on your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see a vertical menu on the left side of your screen with various options for managing your website. From that menu, look for the option labeled Plugins. Hover over it, and you'll see a submenu appear with several choices. Click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation page where WordPress gives you access to thousands of free plugins you can add to enhance your site's functionality. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, you'll notice a search bar in the top right corner. Click on it and type in UpdraftPlus. As you type, WordPress will automatically start showing you matching results. You'll see the UpdraftPlus plugin appear, usually right at the top of the list. It's typically labeled as UpdraftPlus WordPress Backup Plugin. Now click the Install Now button next to the UpdraftPlus plugin. This button will be clearly visible on the plugin's card. WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin onto your site. This process usually takes just a few seconds, so don't worry if it feels quick. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will automatically change to say Activate. This is an important step because installing the plugin doesn't make it functional yet. You need to activate it for it to start working on your site. Go ahead and click Activate. Once activated, UpdraftPlus is now live on your WordPress site. You'll be redirected to the Plugins page where you can see all your installed plugins, and UpdraftPlus will now appear in that list. From here, you can configure your backup settings, schedule automatic backups, and even restore your site if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated UpdraftPlus on your WordPress site, giving you a reliable way to back up and protect your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.